Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Inkdrop AI. Inkdrop AI Tool Review, a deep dive into my usage experience. Inkdrop AI is a sophisticated tool engineered to transform how we approach digital note-taking, content creation, and overall organization. I've been using it for a while, and I'm ready to share my thoughts. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested in exploring further. This tool boasts a multitude of features designed for professionals, students, and content creators alike. Its most remarkable attribute is undoubtedly its AI-powered note organization. Inkdrop intelligently categorizes and tags your notes, simplifying the process of searching and retrieving information, regardless of the volume of data you've accumulated. This eliminates hours spent manually organizing folders and tags, keeping you effortlessly organized. Beyond organization, Inkdrop AI offers a robust writing assistant. This feature assists with brainstorming, refining note structure, and even suggesting content enhancements. Whether you're working on blog posts, research papers, or personal journals, this tool dramatically enhances productivity by streamlining your writing process. The integration with cloud storage ensures constant access to your notes, regardless of your location. Seamless syncing across devices means you'll never lose vital information. For those who prioritize privacy, Inkdrop utilizes end-to-end encryption, safeguarding your notes from unauthorized access. Inkdrop's intuitive interface is remarkably user-friendly, minimizing the learning curve. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or a casual user, you can immediately utilize the platform without any frustration. Furthermore, its cross-platform compatibility, from desktop to mobile, guarantees constant connectivity. This tool is purpose-built for anyone requiring a dependable, intelligent, and secure note-taking system that adapts to evolving needs. In summary, Inkdrop AI is a game-changer for anyone seeking to optimize their note-taking workflow and boost productivity. Students, content creators, and business professionals alike will find its unparalleled features invaluable for enhancing their work processes. Explore the links in the description for further information and give Inkdrop AI a try. I'm confident you won't be disappointed.